Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Rockin' Old Rider again. I'm back again with another vlog. I'm doing something very true to my channel name. Yes, it's time. It's finally that time where I do a solo ride. Yeah, the time has finally come for our first solo ride. Really excited about it. I'm reporting live from Chikmagalur, Mr. Rafi's place. This has kind of become a base camp to go towards the Arabian Sea from here because it's just around 6 kilometers. You just have to go down the Agumbe Ghat or the Chamai Ghat and you reach the coast, be it Mangalore or Udupi. Anyways, the plan is very elaborate. I'm going to share the plan as we progress through the trip. So anyways, and once again, welcome back to the first episode of my first solo ride. For starters, today I'll be heading towards Mangalore actually. So my place is near 𝗠ecie𝗁𝗹𝗴𝗏 beach. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So it will take me about 3.5 hours from here. I'll go down towards Agumbe. And most importantly, I have one of my friends' wedding to attend today evening. More like a reception. The wedding is already over yesterday in Moodbidri. So I was looking out for a place which is close by to Moodbidri, but not in Moodbidri, at least somewhere near the coast, so that I could get the real experience of living on a beach place. So I'm almost going on a beach place, and from there let's decide what to do. Okay, so let's head, let's get ready, and then let's continue. The road will be very scenic, so you can stay till the end of the video, hopefully. It's about 8:20 a.m. in the morning, and the weather is actually very pleasant. You stand under the sun, it burns for sure, but while moving it's pretty peaceful, and the heat is still not started. So I'm on the Moodgere road, but I won't be going towards Moodgere. I'll be taking a ride towards Sringeri and going down the coast from the Agumbe Ghat. The whole journey maybe is going to take me around 4 hours approx, because I'll stop Paramse only and go. I don't want to hurry. My ass is already hurting from yesterday's crazy ass ride. Whoa, what was that? I thought I'll do a ride video from Bangalore to Chikmagalur. I wanted to done it a couple of times, but I thought I can still do it. But as soon as I left Bangalore, whoa, the amount of people leaving Bangalore, I don't know what was that, man. I thought usually the traffic is still 𝗠cie𝗁𝗹𝗏𝗏𝗏, and after that it'll be peaceful, we can go around say. And it was around peak afternoon as well. But to our astonishment, which won't be astonishing in a few days for sure in Bengaluru, as soon as we left 𝗠cie𝗁𝗹𝗏𝗏, wow, the flyover is blocked, can you believe it? Then we have to go up the service road, which took us even more time because it got delayed. We left around 10:45 approx from Bengaluru, and we reached Chikmagalur by 5:15 with just around 2 stops approx. By the way, welcome to Alduru. The main reason for me to go on a solo trip is, most importantly, when I tried calling people, they didn't come. Everyone has their own reasons and and secondly, I wanted to do a solo trip always. Okay, I'm gonna take a small pit stop here for breakfast, and then continue because it's gonna become very very hot. There was once like a huge ass waterfall behind. I'm sorry it's got dried up. Anyways, you get good food here. For all the people who are coming towards 𝗁𝗏𝗴𝗴 or going towards the coast from Chikmagalur, you can stop here. During the winter time though it's too nice.
2,000 years later.
I met a fellow rider, 𝗁cie𝗁cie 𝗩𝗴𝗴. He's from Bangalore too. He's riding towards Udupi. So I got a rider partner, at least till Sringeri. He's on his brand new Himalayan 450. As slowly I'm heading towards the coast. The weather, the humidity and everything else is coming into picture. By the way, I'm almost near Valianur now. I think another 2.5 hours at least, not lesser than that for sure. By the way, this is my new motovlogging setup. Not new, you can't call it new because this is borrowed. Because of the crazy ass problems my GoPro is giving me, I decided to borrow my friend's camera. This is DJI Osmo 3 and the mic, it isn't even branded, but while testing it out it is smooth AF. So I asked him, can I borrow your camera, and he was like, yeah sure, no problem. So I will be going back to Bangalore and selling my GoPro. Yes, the time has finally come.
तुसी जा रहे हो? तुसी ना जाओ.
And buying DJI Action 4 only you get, I guess, for the same cost. Only thing is I have to get a good value for my GoPro, which is very difficult considering those crazy ass prices people quote on OLX. By the way, Namma Bhadra Nadi, which is almost drying up, which isn't even flowing, it's become more like a lake. Okay, we are in Valianur. You take a left towards Kudremukha here, Kalasa and everything you get on the left here if you go like this, and if you take a right you go towards the coast. Anyways, summer is here, irrespective of where you go, it's gonna be hot. So carry a lot of water and a lot of sunscreen.
चुभती जलती गर्मी का मौसम आया.
I've been doing some solo adventure, not on the bike of course, because that would be a little risky. Considering if something happens on the off-road or tracks or trails, I'll have no one to heed to me. So yeah, the adventure will mostly involve, will involve parking the bike and doing. So today's adventure task would be doing kayaking in the Shambhavi river,
मस्त प्लान है.
which I booked a slot in the evening around 4 o'clock. So my current plan is, even if I reach my cute hut, beach hut, you can't call it a cottage also, but like a beach hut, by water clock also, I can relax for like 2 hours, get lunch or something, get some good minuta, and then head towards the Shambhavi river, which is about 15 minutes from my beach hut. We are slowly reaching flatter grounds. I was waiting, how come this guy is sitting for such a long time and not saddled? Even his ass started hurting now. The tea plantation place is finally here. What is this thing called? 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪. Should I stop or continue? I think I don't want to lose the momentum. Too much stopping is gonna mess up the momentum and I'll reach late. And I'll end up spoiling the whole timetable. I've gone to a lot of forests, but this is the first time they actually gave me a pass. And he's clearly asked me to not stop anywhere. This looks like a proper jungle though. Look at the pass. And at the exit of the forest, I'll have to give it this back. Sadly, all the rivers are drying up. Monsoons. Please hurry up, bro. At least I hope this forest is worth its name and I get to spot some wild animals at least.
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो. बोला धक्का बुक्की नहीं करने का, आराम से लेने का. हाँ.
My bad luck of not spotting animals in core jungle like Bandipur is so high. You think I spot an elephant or something here? The chances are very, very little. One last break before I reach my beach hut. Yes, I said it again, beach hut. Yeah, very important for summer rides. Please carry a good sunscreen. I have SPF 50 PA something by the Derma brand. It's very nice. Apply how much is possible on your skin to avoid getting it burnt. It's 12 o'clock and it's burning hot. Okay, let's continue. Last bit of our road left. By the way, check out my new addition to the luggage setup. It's by Rider Zone. This bag, it's pretty cute, man. You can fix it directly on the seat and the straps are of very good quality, so good, keep it up, Rider Zone. And it's around $15.99 on Amazon. You can buy it. Yeah, for handy luggage. I have luggage pretty much everywhere, so I needed like a bag where I could carry it for trails or just leave it on the bike for whatever purpose. You get a very similar one in Vietnam. It's called a CT. It becomes a seat and you can use it as a trolley in a bag as well. But I already have an air seat, so I didn't want to invest on it. Anyways, let's continue, man. Okay, we're almost reaching. Not bad, even though it's peak afternoon. It still isn't like hot. Bengaluru would be burning. Of course, I can smell fish in the air and the stickiness. What the hell is this? Okay, they're creating like a GPS network here, dude. With that cap. One state, many worlds. Oh. Okay, this is the big ass bungalow and this is the beach. Jackson say cheese.